Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips Audio BT3901A Portable Speaker. You can see an image of this particular speaker. It has this mesh design on top, and this is the blue variant as well. This particular speaker supports SD card functionalities, comes with an FM radio, has audio in functionalities, and also has a microphone. Some extra information at the back. It comes with a built-in rechargeable battery, SD connectivity, FM radio, audio in, and microphone, as I mentioned earlier. Any extra information that we can gather from here? Not really. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go. These are the components of the box. This is a user manual for this particular box. Everything that you want to know, you will find over here. And it says a lot of things like there's general information, top and back panel diagrams, top panel operation. There's a list of all the table rather of all the different operations, and there's an overview of the speaker over here as well. And this also comes with a warranty and product specification, so you should read this at least once. Actually, the overview section is much longer. There's a lot of things. You should read it at least once. And what else do we have? This is the micro USB charging cable for this particular speaker, and this is the 3.5mm aux line-in cable that comes with this. There's also a lanyard. This is basically for carrying this particular speaker around. Now let's take a look at the speaker itself. So this is what it looks like. This is the blue variant. It has this matte black rubbery finish to it. I mean, the stops underneath are made out of rubber. So is this flap. There you go. This flap has three ports in it. There's a SD card slot, a 3.5mm port, and a micro USB charging port. This is where you do all of that. And on the top there is another rubber surface. So on this you will find the inline remote. Basically your power button, your track changing buttons, play, pause button, up and down button, and also a call receiving button over here. Also notice the Philips logo right over here. As I mentioned earlier, the top half has this mesh design to it. And not just that, you can actually see the three different speakers that are built inside this particular device. Let's power this on and I will actually demonstrate what the sound is like. So for powering it on, you have to press this button. So I have put this particular speaker on charger. Now notice that it's being charged. There's a red light that is glowing right now, which this basically means that this device is getting charged. I'm going to turn it on now. So the moment you turn it on, you get this blue blinking light. This basically means that this device is probably in pairing mode. We'll find out soon enough. We have to go to our smartphone, and I'll now go to the Bluetooth settings page and turn the Bluetooth settings on. Okay, I'm getting a Philips BT3901 option right away. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on pair. You heard that tone. That basically means that we're now paired, and it's showing 50% battery right over here. Now let's play some music and demonstrate the sound. Okay, so you can just change the track by pressing the plus and minus button. Press it once or twice to change the tracks. But in order to increase or decrease, you have to long press these buttons, like so. Only then does the volume goes up or down. Otherwise, you can use your smartphone controls to change the volume settings. Sorry, my apologies. There you go. The volume is, so this is full volume. We're at full volume right now. I'm going to play the music again. So there you heard it. It sounds pretty great, in fact. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Philips Audio BT3901A Portable Speaker. Thank you for watching.